He's gonna kill me, dude. Not even kidding. Oh, God.
So look what we did, everyone. Oh, my God. That's so many fucking bubbles.
This is how retarded we are.